Hello everybody and welcome back. I got everybody in the barn taken care of and over by the barn taken care of. Looks like all the birds are out today. Looks like they're all out today. And the baby ducks are over there too. Probably waiting on me. Excuse me. Go check on the littles. How's everybody doing in here? Pretty good? Alright, let's see. Okay. I don't see any eggs in there. I'm gonna go pull eggs from the big little coop. Ooh, watch out, guys. Yeah, look, they're waiting. They're all waiting for me. They're all waiting for me. Even though they can do and will eat anytime they want because of the holes I have in the feeder over there. But some of them still insist on, oh, he's going to mount her right at the door. Okay, Brahma. Gonna get him a little Wyandotte. Okay, well, might as well feed him. And then, Rooster Cogburn. Showgirl. Okay. Alright. Whoop. Alright, guy. Alright. Oops. Really? Get out of there. Gotta feed the littles too. I'm gonna have to fill this up tomorrow. The littles do have some food, so it doesn't have to be a full scoop for them because they do have some food. Enjoying the sun, or sorry, the snow. Alright. We are going to just give them a top off here. And then just give them a top off here. And alright. We're gonna pull eggs and that's pretty much it. Watch out, little one. Alright. I'll have to fill up the feeder tomorrow. But, that's one that we hatched too. Very pretty. Okay. I like a nice mixed flock. You know, I think a lot of people do. Obviously, there are certain breeders that only breed a certain type of bird, but I like a nice mixed flock. Variety is the spice of life. And baby ducks over there. Alright, let's go see what the egg situation looks like. I pulled eggs last night when we got home late from church and doing a feed run. 4. Could be better. Could be worse. I'm just glad they still lay. Maybe not as much as they do, obviously, when the weather's better. But, hey, chickens that lay all year are good in my book. Definitely. Okay. There's that reverse Brahma. But that's pretty much it here for today. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I appreciate everybody watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow, and share, and all that good stuff. We appreciate every single one. Like I've said several times, we're just a small family farm, showing you guys a little glimpse into our lives, and we appreciate all of you. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.